Hello, my name is Farooq, and I'm a multilingual language educator and communication coach with over 12 years of experience, 4 years offline and 8 years online. Throughout my career, I've helped thousands of students and professionals master not only English, but also Turkish and German at both academic and professional levels. My students have achieved outstanding results in international exams such as IELTS, TOEFL, GOETHE, TELC, and many other university admissions and language proficiency tests. But my work doesn't stop at test preparation. I have worked with executives, managers, and teams from leading international companies, especially in Asia and Russian-speaking regions, for over 4 years mostly. I design and deliver personalized English training, including business English, legal English, medical English, or for construction and engineering, and more. Whether it's improving communication in board meetings, succeeding in international tenders, navigating conferences, or supporting live interpreting during global negotiations, my role goes far beyond language teaching. It's about empowering global success. In addition to teaching, I assist students with visa applications, work and travel programs, and preparation for embassy interviews. My guidance has helped countless students secure opportunities abroad and faster, more confidently with stronger language skills. Over the years, I've become a recognized trainer in this field, not just for learners, but also for teachers. I've created teaching materials, exam content, and training programs for professional educators and teachers and candidates. Uh, I've held seminars, certified training, and curriculum design workshops that are now used by instructors across different countries. I also contribute to the authorship and translation of international educational books, bringing clarity and innovation to language learning across cultures. From general English to conversational English, from daily communication to advanced academic skills, advanced academic writing, I built dynamic, interactive, and highly professional lessons to match learners' unique path. If you are looking for someone who understands the demands of modern communication in business, education, and global mobility, you are in the right place, guy. Not just learn a language. Let's build the confidence to use it wherever life takes you. I'm Farouk, and I'm here to help you thrive.